Hi guys, welcome back to Shankitchen JA. It's your girl Shan, where I cook all the delicious, delightful stuff, not to mention flavorful and tasty. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, please remember to go ahead and subscribe and press that notification bell to get notified whenever I post, because you don't want to miss a thing, right? And if you're already my family, I welcome you every time. Enough love, pick up yourself, and thanks, I appreciate you all. So today I'm going to be doing oven jerk pork. That's what you call it, our oven baked pork. Alright, but I'm gonna put a little twist to it. So here is my lovely pork. I've already washed in lime water and cleaned. You can see that. So I'm going to season it and let you guys see how I do it, and marinate it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours before I get started. And I just want to say thank you, I appreciate you all. So I'm going to show you guys my ingredients as I go along, so you won't miss a thing. Alright, so come on, do some pork. No, pork lovers, where you at? Let's go. First thing first, I'm going to add some of my jerk season that I made. I'm going to add a little bit more. That's my jerk season I made from scratch. I'll be uploading that video soon. And I'm also going to add some of my green seasonings as well. Alright, that's it for now. Then I'm going to be adding some ginger extract. Just a little, not a lot. I don't have any ground ginger, so this is why I'm using this. You can just go ahead and add a tablespoon. Then I'm going to add some Maggi jerk seasonings. And I'm going to add some all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose. Next thing, we are going to add a little salt. About a teaspoon. Alright, a little cinnamon powder, not a lot. Teaspoon again. Cinnamon powder. And last, can somebody tell me what it is? Somebody can write it in the comment section and let me know what they think it is. Oh, nobody gets it. Alright, some honey. Alright, I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. That's it. Alright, so we got the and we can add a little coconut oil. Not a lot. Good. So we're gonna combine everything and rub on our pork. See that? Ooh, smells good. Everything is already in the green seasoning and the jerk seasoning, so just for us to do this. See? This is what everything combined in the blend. Now that we got all the seasoning, we're going to go ahead and get it in here. I'm gonna use my hands. Alright, I washed my hands already, so I'm gonna use my hand. So, you wanna use something else, that's fine. But I'm using my hand. See that? Pork lovers. And I cut my pork into pieces because I didn't get the part of the pork that I wanted. So I gotta improvise because I want to clean it properly. So that's the reason I cut my pork. But guys, if you want to do your whole salmon, that's fine as well. I'm sure it will taste as lovely as mine. And if there's another way that you season your, if I'm missing something, if I had something that you don't use, that's fine as well. Everybody cooks different, and like I always state, I'm sure yours tastes as good as mine. I think it's DW7. I love pork. Pork is my favorite, and I know Christina like chicken wings. So I'm not even gonna put it in a Ziploc bag because I don't want to leave anything behind, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover this and put in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Overnight would be best, but if you have a couple hours, that's good as well. See that, guys? See that? All the juice on it. Looking for flavors, you know. Alright, and you know everybody drink pork different, especially when you're in the oven. You have to do everything to get more flavors because it's not like on the grill. So I'm going to use a little red stripe here. Alright, so we're going to cover this, put in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and then I'll get back to you guys. So this is what we're working with. We'll cover, put in the refrigerator, and get back to you guys. I'm gonna put in the refrigerator 3 hours to be exact. As I said, overnight would be better, but I don't have that much time. And then I'll get back to you. So just hold the faith and I soon come back, alright? Alright guys, pork has been in the refrigerator for 3 hours, just like the oven. So let's see what we're working with. See that? And you know we're working with the red stripe there. Sweat and everything and ready to go in. It's cold. Alright, so let's see what we're working with and how we shall proceed. So see all the juices to sweat everything, but we're gonna need this juice, so don't worry. Alright, it's cold. Alright, so we are working with. So we're gonna just get them in there. Ooh, lovely. Just want to make sure everything is lying. All that is. See that? Not what we're working with. But look what we're gonna do now. So we're gonna use the same juice that left over. I'm gonna use our red stripe. We're gonna use some. And don't bother ask what I opened the beer with, and don't bother ask who's gonna drink the rest of the beer. All that juice, get it in all that. That's it for now. If we need more, we proceed. To that same red stripe beer, we're gonna add just not any more of the jerk seasoning, just a little more of the green seasonings. Let me get back this over here. See how beautiful that looks? And we're gonna add it, throw it on it. Not around it, on it, guys. So the pork can be soaked in. Now we are starting out. Now we are everything going in. So this is what we're working with. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it in the oven, 375 for 1 hour, and then I get it out. All right, it's been in the oven for 1 hour. You know we're gonna do like 2 hours, so we have to check now to see what's going on. Looks good. It's not even finished. Alright, close the oven. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm not gonna add any more of the beer. We're gonna use all the seeds 1 hour. So I'm going to just get the liquid that's in it on it. Smells so good, man. And we're going to put on the other side. Alright, get the liquid that's in it. Guys, you see? Let me see. Come on, you guys see? Get a little. Yeah. Get some juice on the part that's facing up. And we flip. Alright. Juice. No more beer, no more seasoning. This is enough, guys. So this little skin part already start get crispy. This is how I like it. So this part here, get some juice. I didn't use any file paper to cover mine. If you want to cover yours, that's fine, but I don't. Because it would be like, you know, steam thing. No, I don't want that. And this little crispy part here, so now you see it's coming together so lovely. Look at this. Alright, get some juice on it. This is what we're going to put in the oven for our next 40 minutes and then we'll check on it. Alright. So guys, I already took it out the oven. I gave it another hour. I put it on the board and I cut off some of it, not all of it. And I also garnish it with some hot pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some escallion green onion, as you would say. But this is it. This is how I do my oven jerk pork. I'm gonna make myself a little sauce, because you know I like sauce and you know glaze over stuff. Some people eat it with ketchup, pepper, even the jerk sauce. The jerk seasoning, I already did that in the ingredients mixing, so I don't want any more. But this is it. Look, this. Look at that. Look at that. I have some more to cut up as well. Yeah, this is my oven jerk pork. I can't wait to start eating. Yeah, so it's 2 hours and that's it. 1 hour first, and then I glaze it with some more rice right there, and then another hour, and this is it. So you know what time it is. It's time to wrap the video up. Alright, see what I'm saying? Say it was a good video. I enjoyed doing it for you and with you guys. You're always welcome to my kitchen whenever, wherever, to cook with me, to leave comments, to tell me what you want me to cook next, what to eat, whatever. And if you're already my family, welcome back. I love you guys so much. Thank you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that post notification bell to be notified whenever I post. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I love you guys so much. We're gonna get through this and treat yourself today and have some jerk pork. Alright, so bye.